How are you all? I have brought you a special product. Product name, Betsey Johnson Woven Mixed Multicolored Bead Flower Heart Illusion Necklace. Product description. 1. Illusion necklace featuring mixed faceted beads, delicate stone accents, lovely flowers, and a heart embellished with woven mixed multicolored charms. The necklace is set in gold tone metal with a lobster clasp closure. 2. Gold tone metal with glass and plastic. 3. Length, 16 inches plus 3 inches extender. 4. Frontal drop, 3.5 inches. 5. Lobster clasp closure. 6. Imported. 7. Betsey Johnson Illusion Necklace featuring mixed faceted beads, delicate stone accents, lovely flowers, and a heart embellished with woven mixed multicolored charms. The necklace is set in gold tone metal with a lobster clasp closure. 8. New York designer Betsey Johnson has built her long-standing career in fashion by following her own set of rules. Known for her celebration of the exuberant, the embellished, and the over-the-top, Betsey has been rocking the fashion industry with her unique and original designs since the 1960s. Her commitment to remaining true to her one-of-a-kind vision has afforded Betsey continued success in an industry known for its fickleness. Her ability to change with the times while keeping her designs pure has not gone unnoticed. At the 1999 CFDA Awards, Betsey presented the Timeless Talent Award created especially for her, which recognized her influence on fashion throughout her career.